welcome to the Backyard Machine Shop. Well guys, as you can see, the John Doe Shaper is back in the back of the truck. And it's starting its next journey. And its next journey is going to be, I plan on scraping it in, and I don't really have the stuff here to do it. So tomorrow I'm driving down to Keith Rucker's, and me and Keith are going to head out to go to the Land Fest. And I'm going to go ahead and take the Shaper down there. And the Ram, you can see it sitting in the back of the truck there. And me and Keith plan on scraping it in. I'm gonna scrape it in with Keith's help. How about that? He's got the tools. He's better outfitted to do it than I am, and he's a little more knowledgeable. But anyway, it's starting its next journey in life. So I'm taking it, and I'm taking the Ram, and we're going to start on those two, and I'll start taking. I still have work to do to the other stuff before we can start scraping it in. But I also wanted to talk to you a minute about the job Brian Block did on this thing. Now, Brian gave you the numbers, and the numbers he gave you were pretty much dead on. What I done was I took this machine, I took it to work, and I had it put on a CMM. And now I don't understand CMM results that much, and we didn't really have a model, so we couldn't give you plus or minus data. All I can give you was 2 or 3 areas, but from what we got, Brian's work was dead on. And so here's our report from Veriserve, and the 3 things that were checked on it by the operator was the perpendicularity, the overall flatness. In other words, when you take everything that we measured 170 points on this machine, on the face and on the top and on the sides of the top, and you take everything in that CMM, lays it out flat, we're within 2/10 of being perfectly flat. Now, you know, we say 2/10, that sounds like a lot, but in that measurement, there's very little stuff that is actually that flat. The next thing we measured was concentricity. In other words, the overall squareness of the machine. And again, it measured like 4 thou and 2/10. So again, that's basically the same measurement we got on the first one, because that takes the deviation high, deviation low, and gives it to you. So we were within 2 thou all over from each side of the zero. So again, I can't really explain. I had tried to get our engineer to explain it to me, and I really don't understand how it's measuring. But all right, so the next thing we had to check, I asked him to check it to see how square it was. In other words, this face to that face to the other faces, and the actual angle, what it's called set angle, was 89.997 degrees. So that's pretty darn good. So anyway, I'm about to strap this thing down and cover it up. It's supposed to rain, and we're going to haul it down to Keith's. So oh yeah, Dale Dairy, I got your apron, bud. so guys, I just wanted to shoot a little short video documenting the next journey for the John Doe Shaper, and by the work that Brian done, and then by us scraping it in, I'm gonna have to revisit a lot of the work I've already done and make sure that we do it justice. So guys, Lindale, Texas, go to the Land Fest this coming weekend. Hope to see you there. From the Backyard Machine Shop, so long.